name is Brett Balicki, and I'm a social media analyst here at Social Jack, and this is my Social Jack Minute. So one of the great things you can do on LinkedIn is customize your URL to make it fit your personal brand. So how we do that, we're gonna go to my profile here, click on my face, then we'll go to view profile. Next, we're gonna go to the top right corner and see the edit public profile and URL. Click that. Click this little pencil here next to my URL. Delete anything you don't want. Emphasize anything you do want. And save it. And that's right there is my personal LinkedIn URL. And one of the best tips about this is that if you make this URL consistent with your Twitter handles and your Facebook handles, there's an easy way for any of your followers or anyone looking for you to find you. And that's my Social Jack Minute. We'll want to see you online.